Okay, you guys, this is 15.1 two-way frequency tables as your standard, and your objective to be able to construct and interpret a two-way frequency tables with an 80% accuracy or higher given the independent practice. Their vocabulary words: frequency is how often something happens, so the number of times the value appears in the data set or the event occurs. Okay, so how often does something happens was the number of a thing happening. A two-way frequency table is a table that displays two variables data, by organizing into rows and columns, and it shows the frequency of the data that is categorized in two different ways. So the two ways that we are categorizing this is we have pets, so cats and dogs, and then if they're inside or outside. And the relative frequency is the frequency of something very specific happening and divided by the total number of the data values in the data set. Okay, sort of probability, not necessarily the context or the idea, but how you do it, like the time something happens over the total. Okay, so hopefully that rings bells from 7th grade. So really quick, the first thing is to construct, so to be able to do a table. So we're given this information that 35 cats are inside cats, and then we have a total of inside pets that is 55. So then I can fill this out because 35 plus what gives me 55, 20. That means that 20 cats are inside, the 20 dogs are inside dogs. And then in this one I have 35 cats inside. We don't know how many outside, but I know that I have a total of cats of 50. So that means that 15 plus 35 is going to give me 50. Okay, so I have it there. And then outside pets, I don't know the total, but I can get it by adding this two, so it's gonna give me 45. And then what I can do here is 50. So 30 plus 20 is 50 right here. And then I know that 50 plus 50 is 100, and I also know that 55 plus 45 is 100. So that should be, when you add this two, should give you that. When you add this two, should give you that. If they're not the same, when you add this two and this two, this is not the same matching number, that means something is wrong. Okay, and so I'm done making the table, and now the question is how to interpret. So for instance, the question is how many inside dogs are there? What's the relative frequency of the inside dogs? So inside dogs is inside dogs right here, 20 out of how many total? 100. Okay, so that's 2 tenths equals 20%. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you one to do from this table. So go ahead and give me the relative frequency of outside pets. Okay, I'm not saying dogs or cats, pets in total. Okay, so give me that. Give it to me in fraction form, in decimal form, and in percentage form. Okay, I'm gonna erase this table, give you a new one, and then I'll ask you to fill it out. Okay, go ahead and tell me how many girls play basketball, how many play soccer, how many boys play soccer, how many boys and girls play soccer in total, and then tell me how many girls are there in total, and then how many kids are there in total. Okay, and then after you fill that out, go ahead and just give me the relative frequency of girls playing basketball. And then go ahead and give me the relative frequency of boys playing soccer. Okay? God bless you. Bye.